Jamaican Bar-B Fried Chicken. Bar-B Fried Chicken is a delicious and spicy dish that combines the crispy and crunchiness of fried chicken with a sweet and tangy sauce coated on. It is mouth-watering and the perfect combination that both kids and adults will definitely enjoy. It is a must-try weeknight dinner. The first thing you want to do is to clean up your leg quarters. Chicken quarters are normally chosen for frying because they are flavorful and they have a good meat to bone ratio. This results in a juicy and tender fried chicken. You can just cut off the leg from the thigh, but I find that mincing it into 3 pieces gives it for a nice even cook when it's frying. You know we are all for washing our meat, so wash your meat in water, vinegar, and lime or lemon, and then you're going to rinse it with cold water. Make sure you soak your meat for at least 5 minutes. Rinse your meat and pat it dry. In the meantime, we're just going to make some green seasoning, but rather fact some red seasoning to fry the chicken. This is our fried chicken marinade. Instead of using green bell peppers for this recipe, we just use orange, red, and yellow bell peppers, giving it a nice, vibrant, orangey yellow color. Pour the marinade on the chicken, then you're going to season it with some complete adobo, garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, cayenne powder, black pepper, and some sazon. This will give it a nice and beautiful orangey fried chicken color. Now it's time to get your hands in there and work that marinade into your meat, and make sure each piece gets a little love. Marinate overnight for best results, or at least 30 minutes. Now we're going to season our oil with garlic, pimento, thyme, and a Scotch bonnet pepper. While our oil is heating in a shallow dish, combine all-purpose flour with adobo, cayenne, garlic powder, onion powder, complete seasoning, paprika, black pepper. Mix well to incorporate the seasoning. Take each of the marinated chicken pieces and coat it in the seasoned flour mixture. A great tip is to scoop and fold the chicken into the flour. Make sure it's fully coated and covered, and press the flour in the chicken. This creates flakes before it even gets into the oil. Now carefully place the coated chicken pieces in the hot oil, being cautious not to overcrowd the pan. Fry the chicken until it's golden brown and cook through, typically around 12 to 15 minutes, depending on the size pieces of your chicken. Once it's cooked, remove the chicken from the oil and place the oil on a wire rack to drain the excess oil. You're going to fry this until it is all complete. And after we fry, we're going to work on our barbecue sauce. For our barbecue sauce, we're going to use honey barbecue sauce, duck sauce, ketchup, brown sugar, and complete salt, black pepper, and a little red pepper flakes. The combination of these are absolutely dynamic and they are bursting with flavors. Super easy and super delicious. Give your sauce a mix to get it well combined. Dip the chicken in the sauce and make sure it's coated properly. You can preheat your oven to 350 degrees and pop them in the oven for 10 minutes so the sauce can soak in the chicken. Or the next option is to add the ingredients in a saucepan on the stove. Allow the sauce to reduce until thickened. Coat your chicken, place it on the wire rack, and allow to cool. Super easy recipe, Jamaican Bar-B Fried Chicken. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next recipe.